Welcome to the final lessons devoted to our bird. My choice for the colors of the bird are noble black and silver. We will alternate those colors with additional spots. In order to help yourself, you may certainly arm with a pencil and draw additional directive lines. However, I suggest to measure the space between future sequences placement according to your eye. The bird is divided into 4 elements: body, wing, head, and a tail. Thus I decided to devote this lesson to the body only, and during the second video lesson we will embroider the wing and complete the bird with the last third video embroidering the head and the tail. I use regular Luneville threads. Apply the lock in the corner. And in order to make it more realistic, I will combine the colors by alternating 2 black sequences after each silver sequin. And first I embroider according to the drawn line. Next I will add some blue spots by using blue sequences. However, in a very rare frequency, just making spots. Like this. Then continue placing 2 black sequences after each silver sequin. Upon commencing to the border, I place loose stitches until our very first sequin. And start beading over again according to the pencil marking points. I have the same frequency, 2 black sequences after each silver sequin. However, later I would like to change this frequency and add some more black color, placing light spots in silver and blue. So it's completely up to you. How would you like to alternate your colors? Whether it will be noble black and silver, blue, or any other shades. Everything according to your personal vision and materials that you have. Now I would like to place few black sequences in a row. I would like to complete the body with a stone. And then turn to the ring, placing loose stitches to its upper corner. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. Only during the process you may understand its benefits, when any misstep can become your specularity.